What is string theory? String theory is a theoretical framework in physics that attempts to reconcile two major areas of modern physics: general relativity, which describes gravity and large-scale structures, and quantum mechanics, which governs the behavior of particles at the smallest scales. At its core, string theory proposes that the fundamental building blocks of the universe are not point-like particles, as traditionally assumed, but rather one-dimensional strings that vibrate at different frequencies. These vibrations determine the properties of the particles they represent, such as mass, charge, and spin. Key concepts: strings instead of particles. In string theory, all fundamental particles, like electrons, quarks, and photons, are different vibrational states of strings. This replaces the need for many different types of fundamental particles. Unification of forces. One of the major motivations for string theory is its potential to unify the four fundamental forces of nature: gravity, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force, into a single theoretical framework. Extra dimensions. For string theory to be mathematically consistent, it requires more than the four familiar dimensions, 3 of space and 1 of time. Most versions of string theory involve 10 or 11 dimensions, with the extra dimensions being compactified or hidden from observation at very small scales. Quantum gravity. String theory naturally incorporates gravity, something that standard quantum field theories have struggled to achieve. It includes a massless spin-2 particle consistent with the graviton, the hypothetical quantum of the gravitational field. Current status. String theory remains a theoretical construct. It is mathematically rich and has led to important developments in physics and mathematics, but it has not yet produced experimental predictions that can be tested with current technology. Its lack of empirical verification is one of the major criticisms. That said, it continues to be a leading candidate for theory of everything, a single framework capable of describing all fundamental forces and forms of matter.